Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the YouTube app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the YouTube app again. Step 2. Restart your YouTube app. Now close the app completely from the recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This can fix a small glitch and loading issues. Step 3. Restart your phone. Turn your phone off, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then try opening the YouTube app again. Step 5. Update the YouTube app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Now search for YouTube and tap update if available. Update fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the YouTube app. If the issue continues, uninstall YouTube, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then sign back into your account. And that's how you can fix all basic errors in the YouTube app. And that's it. I will like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.